When we apply lipstick, the thing is that always, maybe when you eat something or because of the wiping, it can get smudged. So for that, just dab it with powder. Now you can use your makeup brush or just use your finger and just dab it in this way, and thereafter just dust off the excess powder, and that's it. Your lipstick will be long lasting, even if the color just comes off. Like I have rubbed it very hardly, yet the stain will still remain even after you wash with soap. Try this hack. Let me know in the comments if you found it useful or not. Many of us love having custard apple, but the thing is we dirty our fingers or hand. So for that, the simple thing is to scoop it out with the flesh and the seed itself using a spoon. In this way, you get to eat the whole of the custard apple without any wastage, and you are not dirtying your fingers or hand at the same time. Another useful hack: if a chewing gum is stuck on the hair, do not worry. Just add a lot of oil on that area where the chewing gum is stuck and slide it off from the hair. It will go off easily. Now, many of us use ice for our drinks. Avoid doing that. Instead of using ice and diluting the drink with water, use frozen grapes. In this way, your drink will not be diluted. You'll get the taste that it was originally as, and you can eat the grapes. If your shower heads are dirty, do not worry. Just take a plastic like this, add in vinegar and tie it on the shower head, and then you'll see how clean it turns to become. Next hack is simple. If you want to use only half an avocado, you can preserve the remaining half in a glass container or plastic container by keeping with it an onion. Ginger, if you want to store it for a longer time, put it in a plastic bag after slicing it and leave it in your freezer. The battery of your phone is about to die. Want a quick solution? Put your phone on flight mode and then charge it. You'll see how quickly it charges. Whenever you travel, you have piles of clothes that you need to wash. Add in a soap bar along with those clothes that you need to wash. This will avoid any kind of stink to remain back in your suitcase and clothes. When your Nutella is about to get over, just throw in a scoop or two of ice cream and enjoy this lovely homemade dessert. For more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to Tip Lab. Bye.